Hi, so let's talk about LinkedIn. I'm using LinkedIn for almost 2 to 3 years and I observe few things which I want to share you, and this is very beneficial for you if you are using LinkedIn, because if you understand these things which I am telling you, you definitely open up a new opportunities for you. So first of all, what is LinkedIn and what its use? So first of all, LinkedIn is a platform for building a networking, showing yourself, showing your skills and connect with your network with the people who are in the same niche or same sector. So LinkedIn is for networking. There are multiple groups, there are multiple jobs opening as well are on the LinkedIn. You definitely find a perfect opportunity for you by using LinkedIn. But many people use LinkedIn in a very wrong way. First of all, in LinkedIn there are multiple students I saw that just they are making their profile very fake, like they done few courses and call themselves a developer, engineer or like that. So you don't have to do that. Be a real on LinkedIn. Like nowadays on LinkedIn we don't trust anyone because someone wrote very high level skills on their profile, but in general they did not know about that, or if we ask them they just say that I done that course or this course, that's why writing those skills in my profile. But you have to understand that LinkedIn showcase yourself. So did you want to make yourself fake? No, you have to show yourself true self. Like if you done something or if you know something, that then only you have to post that. You don't have to worry about comparison, like someone have the better skills than you, then you have to also compete with them by adding more skills in your profile. So this is not a race, this is not a competition. You have to show your true self. If you done something, like if I know JavaScript, then definitely I will posting JavaScript in my skill section. But if I am a React developer and if I know little bit about Angular, so I am not going to write Angular in my profile because I did not know complete Angular. I just know complete React, complete JavaScript or complete web development. So I just post or adding skills regarding that. I am not adding other skills which I just basic know or just don't know. So first understand that, make your profile original. Do not go for fake, because I am seeing various students or various other people who are just faking their profile. Second thing is, do not post your certificates. Like you have to showcase your certificate, but in the certificate and license section, like there is a complete section on LinkedIn which is for certification and license. So people do not add their certificates in those category. They are just posting their certificate on LinkedIn. Yes, it's your it's your achievement, it's your happiness, and you have the right to post anything on any other platform. I'm no one to tell you that what to post and what to not post. But as an audience, as a reviewer, if I'm watching scrolling LinkedIn, I just saw a bunch of certificates which do not contribute or do not tell anything me about you, because after seeing the certificate I just think that this is a normal certificate, everyone can done, and just move on. So please don't do this. If you are posting something, then understand that you are posting this for the community, for the development. You are adding something, you are adding values. If you are posting your certificate and just celebrating your achievement, then who would value you? Yes, definitely you will get a like, you will get everything. But saw the big influencer, they are not posting their certificates, they are just adding certificates in their certificate section, and just they are posting the valuable content. Like if they saw something that they post, if they done something, the project they post. Yes, project, you have to post the projects, because if you post the projects on LinkedIn, everyone can saw you that you are the real guy, you know the real shit. So this is very important. If you are posting certificates, if you are going in any event, you are posting the pictures of the event, then definitely you are adding something in community know that this person is present there. So you definitely have the eyes on you by posting this type of stuffs, rather than the certificates and just normal workshop post and all these advertisement posts. So do not do that. And the next thing I have to discuss is, if you are not clapping for someone, no one is clapping for you. This is very good line and very best line for the LinkedIn, because if you did not give someone like, comment, then definitely no one gives you back. I personally follows, like, comment, share all the stuffs which I saw on LinkedIn in my niche. So I definitely get a decent feedback from them as well. So you have to understand that if you do not clap for anyone, no one will clap for you. So you have to give likes, comments and everything you can possible on the LinkedIn. And don't be shy. Many people are shy for posting, sharing and everything. If you are shying, you are losing, bro. bro, you are losing. If you are shy, you are losing. In this world there are multiple resources, opportunity. If you are do not going to post, if you do not share yourself, so you have to understand that on LinkedIn and any other platform you have to be presentable. The guy who is active in the community, that guy gets a lots of opportunity, so you have to understand that. So if you want to build your profile on LinkedIn, I've already make the 2 videos which I just pinned here, and definitely you can go and watch them. They will definitely teach you what I'm trying to say, because I build a profile which is completely organic and I post only things which I already know. This is the genuine and original profile. I'm not faking anything. I'm not a fake person. So go and watch those videos. Second thing I want to discuss that don't just focus on the LinkedIn. Start posting content on Twitter as well, because on Twitter there is a lot of big community of development, DSA and every coding stuff out there. So post all the stuffs like project explanation and explanatory video on Twitter as well, because if you active on Twitter and people knows like recruiters are definitely seeing you and hire you. So on this platform I personally also focusing on LinkedIn and Twitter. I posting simultaneously content on Twitter and LinkedIn as well. In LinkedIn I just focus on giving my highlights, but on Twitter I will uploading the explanatory video as well of my projects. And at the end of the day, if you are being nice with others, definitely everyone will nice with you. So be nice on every community. Be nice, be helpful, be grateful for all the things you have, because there are many students I saw that personally they are just criticizing everyone, like they don't have anything but they are just criticizing everyone. So don't be that person. Be a person who is helpful, kind and respectful to others, because in this community this is the long term game. This is not a short term game. You don't have to compete with anyone. You don't have to compare yourself with anyone. In those community, definitely after using the LinkedIn, Twitter and every other platform, you definitely saw users or peoples who are definitely higher than you in skills or in every sector. But understand that you are just start, and if you maintain your acceleration and velocity, you are definitely going to be one of them. So don't try to compete, just try to collaborate and learn. Try to message them cold emails and just ask them, then how should I overcome this problem, I am facing this issue, and all the things. They will definitely help you, because in long term you have to be a collaborative. You don't have to be competitive, because if you are being competitive, you're gone from the race, because there are multiple students, multiple programmers, coders and professionals are better than you. You have to accept this fact and be presentable on this all community. Don't be a shy person. Know to post something. We want a lot of guts, because everyone saw us, everyone eyes in us for 1 or 2 seconds. But you have to understand that if you want to achieve something, if you want to grow, then definitely you have to be presentable. If you have a lot of skills, but if you do not show them to the recruiters, or recruiters does not find you to the right place at the right time, then how will you succeed? You have to do a lot of stuff which makes you presentable. So this is my take on the LinkedIn, and definitely you will have a great journey on LinkedIn as well. So if you are a coding enthusiast or just programmer, you can definitely check my channel. I'm making a lot of videos, and my content is also molding. Like I am also molding my content to the more programming side. Previously I am uploading videos for the self-improvement or self-growth section, but now I'm focusing on the programming side. So please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends, because if you don't clap for someone, no one will clap for you. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.